Hello everyone, and welcome to your Skill Up Lab. I am thrilled to have you here. In this video series, we are going to master Microsoft Excel from scratch, taking you from zero to hero. In this first lesson, we will explore the Excel interface and get you comfortable with the basics. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to join our learning community. Let us dive in. As soon as you launch Excel, you will land on the home screen. On the left, you will see the blank workbook option. This is your starting point, a clean slate for your data. Right next to it, Excel offers various templates that you can use for specific projects. In the Recent section, you can see all your previously saved Excel files. This makes it super easy to jump back into your work without searching through your computer. And if you need to find an older file, the Open Other Workbooks option is right there for you. Let us click on Blank Workbook. Now we are looking at the main Excel environment. Starting at the top, you will see the name of your current file. To the right, you have your standard close and minimize buttons. On the left is the Quick Access toolbar. This includes essential tools like Undo to go back a step, Redo to move forward, and the Quick Save button for a fast backup of your work. Below that, we have the tabs. Clicking each tab reveals a specific set of tools. For now, let us stay on the Home tab. Right here is a long white box. This is the formula bar, where we will be writing our calculations later. Moving down, we have the main worksheet. This is where all the cells are located. Every time you click on a cell, it is ready for you to type in numbers or text. At the bottom left, you can see the name of your sheet. You can add as many new blank sheets as you need by clicking the plus icon. Over on the bottom right, you can adjust the zoom level. 100% is the standard view. Now, let us talk about sheets. Every single cell has its own unique name based on the column and row it belongs to. Columns are identified by letters, and rows are identified by numbers. For example, if I click here, this cell is called the 1. You can always see the name of the selected cell in the name box to the left of the formula bar. Here is an interesting fact. Even though cells look small, you can actually type up to 32,767 characters inside a single cell. So, there are practically no limits for your formulas. Additionally, each worksheet supports over 16,384 columns and more than 1,048,576 rows. That is a massive amount of space. If you ever need more, you can simply add another sheet. To start typing, just click a cell. Let us click a 1 and type name. You can set up your headers like name, family name, and so on. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move quickly between cells. Sometimes, your text might be longer than the cell width. To fix this, place your mouse cursor between the column letters at the top. The cursor will change shape. Now, just click and drag to the left or right to resize. Let us make column A a bit narrower and column B wider. You can do the exact same thing with rows to adjust their height. All right, we will wrap up this first lesson here. I want to keep these videos short so you can practice each step before moving to the next one. In our next lesson, we are going to dive into how to enter data and how to edit your cells effectively. Please like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your practice.